This video will help you troubleshoot some common issues you may encounter when signing in to your Google Ads account. One of the most common issues when signing in to Google Ads is a forgotten username or password. Go to google.com/account/recovery to recover your username or password, and follow the steps to set up a new username or password. If you can't access your account because the original account manager has left your organization, click on the Lost Account form in this article. If you recently set up your account, you may not have verified your email address. Make sure you click the verification link sent to your email address or copy and paste the link directly into the address bar of your internet browser. Check out other articles on Google Ads Help Center to learn more.